What's up, everyone? Getting ready for turkey season here in Maryland. Got my Benelli M2. Make sure she's unloaded, safety's on, all that. But anyway, today we're doing a review. I'm going to set up the, I got the Burris Spead Bead. We're going to start with that, install that on my Benelli M2 20 gauge. And I don't know if you can see that set up, how it goes between the stock and the receiver there. But we're going to start with that. And then we have the Fastfire 3, which I also got here. We're going to work on setting that up as well. So first things first, you're going to need a flathead or something to take the butt end off the stock here. If I can get it in there. There we go. So you pop that off. You can see in there's a lock nut. Take that off. You're going to need a 1/2 inch socket. So we'll go ahead and pop that out. I don't know if you can see. There we go. Lock nuts off. Set that there. Then you basically just pull the stock off. There's a couple shims there. We'll set the gun down here. There's a washer there, so make sure that doesn't get lost. There's a little plate in there also. I guess it stayed in there for now, but make sure that doesn't come flying out of there. And then again, my gun had the shim set up on it, so I haven't messed with that yet. But anyway, the speed bead's supposed to fit right in here. So we're gonna see how this works. Open this package here. I've had a couple people I know use these, have this set up on their M2, and they seem to really like it. So I figured we'll give it a try this year, see how it goes. Alright, so looks like we just slide on. Fits right in there like that. Like so. So we'll take the shims next, put that on. If I can get it under there. We'll fix that in there like that. Maybe. Oops, I got this facing the wrong way, I believe. Actually, I have to put the shims on first, I believe. So let's go that route. Shims on. Slide that up, fix it in like so. It's as simple as that. Put the stock back on. Maybe. There we go. So you gotta kind of finagle it in there. Give me a little trouble here. Not sure what that's all about. Let me get that on there. Trying to get all this lined up is definitely a little bit of a pain in the ass. All right. Got those there. The shim's lined up. Let's see if we can get that up there. There we go. Finally, got her set up. All right, before put this plate back in. Put it the right way. Yep, dropped it. There we go. All right, so push that in there. Make sure she's in there tight. Wash her back on. Kind of difficult to get in here. Yeah, there we go. All right, we'll get this lock nut started. All right, that's what she looks like installed. Took about 7 minutes, not even. I'm sure you could do it faster than that if I wasn't messing around with this for the very first time. But anyway, that's what your speed bead looks like installed. So I guess from there, let's move on to the Fastfire 3 here. So I'll show you, I'll unbox this and show you what it looks like. So right off the bat, it comes with the well, the one I purchased here came with the Picatinny rail mount. You get a hood that snaps over. Not sure if I'm going to use this yet, but I know these things have pretty reflective, so that may be helpful in the turkey woods on a sunny day. But so here's the actual Fastfire 3. So take a look at that. Yeah. So also in here, we'll set that down, comes with a tool. You got an Allen wrench in here. So, and then there's the battery, you can see there, and then the 3 screws. So we're gonna try to get this thing fixed on here now. Let's see how this goes. So on the bottom of this thing, you'll see here on the top there's the 2 holes for the nuts in here. There's these 4 studs that get fixed in. I'll try to show you that, but that's how it matches up. Pretty straightforward. So pops on there like that. Get this Allen wrench out here. See if I can get this out. Stuck down here in the I guess they give you 3 screws here in case you lose one. So we'll drop those in. Tighten these guys up. Alright, good stuff going everywhere. Probably don't want to over tighten these, but at the same time I don't want them moving around on me. This thing's on here pretty good though. It's pretty rock solid, really. So that's what she looks like, finished product there. I guess we'll go ahead and pop the battery in. Try to show you guys. I'm not sure what the world you really need this tool for. I guess that's for. So this tool's for your MOA your MOA adjustments here. You got up and down on the top here, left and right on the side. So got it. I guess you use this to pop the battery cap off here. Kind of curious to see what this looks like once we get it lit up. So battery cap, we'll set that there. Go and pop this guy out. See if I can get this open now. Hopefully I don't cut myself. Alright. Battery. So we'll drop that in there. I think I might go upside down. There we go. Put the cap back in. Battery's installed. It was installed. Okay, I gotta press down on this while you're. Oh. Okay. I guess that's in there good. Probably don't want to over. There we go. Alright, that seems to be in there pretty good now. Let's see. Okay, so let's fire it up. See the power button there, right there. So we're gonna give that a ring. I don't know, you guys probably can't see that, but the red dot's on. And definitely needs adjusted. I think you want this pretty much right above the bead on the end of your barrel, probably when you go to sight it in. So we'll move it to there, and that's kind of where we'll start it. I'll probably do another video here. I got a Pattern Master turkey choke on the way, so I'll probably do a video once I get that all set up and get some couple different shot shells, TSS, long beard, XR, and we'll do another video, see how it patterns. But I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you can see the dot on there, so that's what she looks like. Yeah, look forward to shooting it. But that is your Burris Fastfire 3. setup on your Benelli M2 on the Speed Bead. So that was pretty simple, 15 minutes at the most to set this up. So yeah, if you guys like this this video, like and subscribe. There'll be more videos to come. Like I said, I'm going to work on doing something with patterning, probably both a Jebs and a Pattern Master turkey choke to see what I get with that. See what I'm going to be hunting with this year. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch up with you next time.